process would be, this is in the manual, you would kick the tube and try to set it off to see if it would go. Now, if that didn't happen and that didn't work, you get to the next step of the process, which is what Mortarman's